Hey, welcome to my channel, Cooking with Mayo Focus, and today we're going to be making an absolutely delicious and easy potato salad. Now it's cookout season, and you already know without that potato salad, you don't have a cookout, right? But it got to be done right because we don't want to have nobody disowning you or have a brawl at your cookout. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to make an absolutely delicious potato salad. So let's focus on this recipe and let me get you in the game. Please don't put no raisins in a potato salad, because if you want to see somebody get a quick ass whooping at a cookout, it'll be messing up that potato salad. Now, I got about 3 pounds of potatoes that I'm working with. Now, one of the keys to a good potato salad is just making sure that your potatoes are cut like size. If you got different size potatoes, then you're gonna have some that's gonna turn out too mushy, and then you'll probably have some that's too firm. So if you cut those about the same size, they'll get done at the same rate, and then you'll be in the game. So we're gonna use chicken broth for these potatoes, but this will flavor your potatoes. Can go with chicken bouillon, better than bouillon. You can go with stuff like that, or you can just go with regular water and salt. And next, I got me a stalk of celery. Now, I don't want like a lot of celery in this potato salad, and that'll be good enough for the celery. As you can see here, this is how I'm gonna chop my onions too. Probably get a little bit fine and chop on the onions, but this would do for the celery. Like I said, I don't want too much celery in it. You know, potatoes gonna be the starter dish anyway. So now we got both celery and onion chopped to where we like it. As you can see, I got 2 pots of boiling water. Reason for that is because we're gonna boil some eggs, and then we're gonna boil those potatoes. Now 12 minutes for both should be about right, but you want, again, to make sure that your potatoes are, you know, tender, but not like mashed potatoes, right? Hey, after your 12 minutes is up, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these eggs out. We're gonna put them in an ice bath so we can work with them, get them cooled down, and we'll turn our attention to these potatoes. Now you wanna have these fork tender. Like I said, you don't wanna go too much more than a fork tender potato, because then you'll have mashed potatoes like this right here. We can see it, not where it's breaking apart, but you know, it's soft enough. You see that right there? That's what you want. That's fork tender. That's a perfect potato for potato salad. Hey, we got to make this dressing. You already know what I'm about to use. I'm about to use that Duke's mayo. Now, let me know in the comments what you like to use. You like to use that Hellman's Best Foods if you're on the West Coast. But what we're going to do is we're going to freestyle a little bit. So I'm just going to eyeball this. Go in with a little bit of mayo first. And we can add more ingredients if we need to, or add more if we need to. I'm gonna go in with a dollop of sour cream. Now I'm going in with some relish. Now salad cubes will probably be better. They're a little bit thicker, but relish will work just fine. Now most potato salads, people put Dijon Mustard, but I'm gonna tell you, hey, here's one of my secret weapons right here. It's that diced jalapeños. Now it's not gonna be spicy, but it's gonna give you a little kick, just like that Dijon mustard would do. Now I'm gonna go in with a couple tablespoons of yellow mustard. I'm gonna go in with a dash of apple cider vinegar. Now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of dill. I'm gonna hit it with some Cajun seasoning, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder, and some crushed black pepper. Now, any all-purpose seasoning will do, or you already know, man, you can put that Lawry's up in there. Hey, that'll be absolutely delicious too, fam. And we'll get everything mixed in. And then at this point, once you get your dressing mixed in, and you can taste it and then see if you need to add any more of your ingredients before you put those potatoes in there. Now that flavor is on point. Now lastly, what I'm gonna add is a little bit of sugar. And I like to taste it before I add the sugar, just like I can see, you know, the base ingredients, how we're coming along. But after you add that sugar, it's just gonna give it a little bit of that sweetness that you're used to in a potato salad. Now with these eggs, we just wanna, you know what I'm saying, chop these eggs up. Now all we gotta do, fam, add these potatoes. And at this point, you just wanna fold your ingredients. You don't want to mash it, be careful. So what I'm gonna do is is I'm gonna go ahead and add my eggs in there. Get it all mixed in. It's looking good, it's smelling good. Now, all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in a serving dish just for the thumbnail. Like I said, for cookout, hey, you might as well just put that thing in an aluminum foil pan. And you know what I'm saying, if somebody get active out there in that cookout, you don't wanna have no broke dish, right? Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of that smoked paprika on top. A little color, give it a little bit more flavor. You don't wanna overdo it. So lastly, to give it a color contrast, I'm gonna go on top with a little bit of that dill weed. Now you already know what I gotta do. Hey, I gotta give this potato salad a taste test, and hey, there it is right there. Cheers, fam. And that's delicious right there. Nice potatoes cooked right, and that dressing for that potato salad, hey, it's on point. Now, fam, all you gotta do is pair that potato salad with some absolutely delicious baked beans. Then you got the smoked chicken quarters, right? You got the smoked ribs. Hey, the list can go on and on. Hey, check out that playlist I got on my channel, Cookout Season, and you will enjoy every recipe on there. Now, if you're new to my channel and you like this content, hey, go ahead, smash that like button. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and share this video with your family and friends. Now, for my focus family that's been rolling me for a while, you already know what I'm about to do. Hey, I'm about to get on that grill, start grilling some stuff, and I'm gonna smash into this potato salad, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.